Imagine warm golden focaccia, soft on the inside, perfectly chewy, and flavored with garlic and herbs. Sounds incredible, right?
What if we told you it's also super easy to make, even if you've never baked bread before? Stick with us.
The secret is our homemade garlic and herb olive oil. It's so simple. Just heat olive oil with minced garlic and freshly chopped herbs like rosemary and thyme. Let it cool while we make the dough. Combine warm water, yeast, and a little sugar. Once the mixture is foamy, stir in a cup of flour and a quarter cup of the infused olive oil. Let that sit for 5 minutes, then stir in the remaining 1.5 cups of flour and salt. Now to bring the dough together, give it a quick knead about 10 to 15 times just to pull it into a ball. Add some extra oil to a clean bowl and toss in the dough. Cover it and let it sit until it's doubled in size. Add a couple of tablespoons of that garlicky oil to a baking dish, empty the dough into the dish and spread it out. Use your fingers to create some dimples, then spread the rest of the olive oil over the top. Let the dough sit for another 20 to 30 minutes, then bake it until golden brown. And just like that, you've got homemade focaccia. We're absolutely obsessed. Enjoy!